In this video, I'm going to go over how the Blackboard course is laid out. So initially, when you open the Blackboard course, the Operations Management course, this is the first screen that you will see. There's only one folder that is visible at this time. None of the other folders are visible. So you have to start here and complete the required tasks. Once you've completed the required tasks, this is the screen you will see. So you will see a folder for each week. Okay, until you finish the required tasks in week 0, you will not see any of these tabs, any of these folders. What you will see will be this. Okay, only the first week 0 folder will appear. Now you click week 0 folder, and there are 6 tasks, and then a grade summary calculator that I have provided. You can download that and use it, and I have a video on how to use that as well, so you can take a look at that. So the first thing is to go to the first task 1 folder and watch the required videos, and then you understand your syllabus. Your syllabus is provided in this tab, so when you click, that tab will open up, and here is the syllabus. Okay, and then here is the instructions for using Zoom, which is a video conferencing software that you can use if you want to have face-to-face office hours time. Now when you click this, and if you're already logged into the system using your UTC Marks ID, you will be able to download the syllabus without this warning. But if you get this warning that you need permission, that simply means that you have not logged in with your UTC Marks ID. So you do that by clicking switch accounts. So click that. Don't click this, because if you click this, it'll send me an email, and it's the same thing. You have to first log in, and then only you'll be able to download. So just clicking the request access doesn't do anything, because it'll just simply be sending me an email, and I can't do anything unless you log in with your Marks ID. So click switch accounts, log in with your Marks ID, then the syllabus will download for you. Okay. And then look over the syllabus, and here is a little video I put together for some highlights in the syllabus. So look through that, and here are some useful technical support helpline or email ID in case you have any trouble with registering for MyOM Lab or accessing MyOM Lab. Don't contact me. I have nothing to do with any of that. So you contact the representative or the customer service of Pearson. So that's task number 2. Then you have task number 3, which is an online learning readiness survey. So you click that, and it will open up a survey for you, and it highlights some of the requirements for online, or some proficiencies from the student's point of view that makes online class suitable for students. So online class is not for everybody. If you want to do an online class, then you have to be self-motivated, and you need to be able to manage your time properly. So those are some skills that if you're not good at, then you're not doing yourself a favor by registering the online class. You're probably better off with a face-to-face class. So what you need to do is to answer this survey truthfully for your own sake. And if you score anything less than 14, then it's very likely that you're not going to do well in the online class. So you should think about dropping and taking a face-to-face class. If you truthfully answer and get 14 or more, then the online class is a pretty good fit. Then task number 4 is to buy the textbook access, the My OM Lab access. Okay, again, if you click this, it'll take you to the page from where it gives you information about what you need, and and you can go to My OM Lab tab and go to My OM Lab course home and get registered and get access to My OM Lab. Then this is just a cautionary note because this is a summer semester and we take an entire full semester's worth of material and condense it into 6 weeks. So it is going to be intense. So you should be able to provide or put aside the required time every week. Otherwise, you're going to fall behind. So make sure that you understand what you're getting into and make sure that you will be able to set aside the time needed to complete the class. So read this time commitment note and then introduce yourself to class. So here, if you go, there is an introduction thread. So click that and introduce yourself. Brief introduction, couple of lines, that would do. And once you have done all that, and of course this is the grades calculator, so go ahead and download that and keep it. And during the semester, you can use it to calculate the average, your average for the class. Now, once you've completed all that, then when you click Start here or when you click the course page, this is what you will see, and you will have one folder for each week and a table here that gives you a summary of what assessments are due when. And remember, study plan, quiz me, the mastery points, these due dates are soft due dates, but again, you should plan on completing these by the due date and not get behind on that. Now, homework and test due dates are hard due dates. If you miss the due date, then it will be counted as late and the late policy will apply. And for homework, you don't need to let me know that you're going to be turning in late because you will be able to turn in late and it will be marked as late. But the My OM Lab test will automatically close after the due date. That's how My OM Lab is set up. And if you have to take a test late, then you have to send me an email so I can extend the due date for you. Otherwise, you will not be able to access the test.